So again, my name is Francesco Oppici and I'm co-founder and business development manager of ENERGYDOME. We are a startup that was funded in June 2019 with a mission, which is contributing to the solution of the climate change issue, contributing with a new breakthrough technology. A technology that is focused on utility scale energy storage, which is the capability, which are technologies that are capable of storing large quantities of energies in order to make renewable production from wind and solar PV sources more dispatchable. The renewable market storage is booming. So commitments from the states, retirements from baseload generation, and intermittent renewable power is coming massively into our electrical grids. The more we accept the renewable wind and solar into our electrical grids, the more the grids will need to be backed by systems of capable of storing large quantities of energy when there is excess of production from wind or solar, and being able to release this energy back to end users when this is more needed. With increasing penetration of renewables into our electrical grids, the market will need to install significant amounts of utility scale energy storage systems. Projections set this market to be more than 1,000 billion euros market value in 2050. Most of this market will be on stationary large-scale energy storage. And nowadays, there are no competitive ways of storing energy or efficiently or economically. That's why we introduced the CO2 battery. This is is a patented technology by us, which is a closed thermodynamic process that stores energy efficiently, cost effectively, and for more than 30 years without any performance degradation over time. Interestingly enough, this is a closed thermodynamic loop that uses CO2 as a working fluid. So effectively, we use CO2 to solve climate change. We have studied this solution in a way that this is something, this is a process that can be offered on the market and implemented on the market very soon. And we have done this by applying only readily available off-the-shelf components into our system. Nowadays, the utility scale energy storage market is 99% lithium-ion batteries, meaning that large energy storage infrastructures at the moment use a large amount of lithium-ion batteries, the same type of our cell phones and laptops. We provide the CO2 battery, which has significant advantages over the lithium-ion battery. Compared to this technology, we are comparable in terms of round-trip efficiency, meaning we have similar efficiency, but we don't have degradation over time. Our cost is half the cost of the installed kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery today for a system that lasts for 3 times, and especially we can charge and discharge fully our system, while lithium-ion battery is limited to capacity charging to up to 20%, as low as up to 80%, and as low as 20%. These numbers that I show you are for the first plant that we expect to sell within this year and have it installed within next year. But if we put in also economies of scale for a mature technology development, we expect our cost to drop to 1/3 of the lithium-ion battery technology. We are a team of experienced engineers, and we have done already these kind of ventures in the past. We come from the renewable energy sector, where we have already. So I was saying that we come from the power sector. We were able to install already 450 megawatt of geothermal waste heat recovery and CSP plants, as well as 80 biogas plants worldwide. So we are used to put steel at work in order to produce power. In this case, our intent is to propose to the market an energy storage solution that we want to prove technically following these steps of the risking activities that were already performed, including a review from the university, then a front-end engineering design supported by firm binding offers from suppliers, which were reviewed by Fichner Engineering, one of the main engineering companies worldwide. And we also constructed a lab scale for the thermal energy storage system. Currently, we know we have to prove our technology, so we are building a demonstration project that will be ready within Q1 2022. Our business model is based on a mixture of licensing and co-development. We will license our technology to EPC companies and OEM companies that are capable to bid to end customers such as utilities and independent power producers our system, providing firm binding performance guarantees. We will also co-develop sites, meaning that we will originate from greenfield to ready to build new sites using our technology to then sell it to utility companies. We have already signed a first commercial agreement with Ansaldo Energia, the first EPC company that has believed in us and is will pay us for having the privilege of using our technology as it was theirs, meaning that we have signed a commercial agreement for licensing them the technology. This will also represent the first revenue for ENERGYDOME within 1 year of its incorporation. Our business model is setting us to a very rapid growth. In fact, we already hit the first revenues in 2021 since 1 year from incorporation. We expect to have already a positive EBITDA in 2022 and reach positive cash flow as soon as 2024. The cumulative cash flow of our business plan sees a 30 million euros cumulative cash flow at 2025. Currently, we are raising our Series A for 10 million euros with a 75 million euros pre-money, with the goal of taking to end the construction of the demonstration plant and grow internationally our commercial expansion. Thank you very much for listening. I will be happy to reply any of your questions. And sorry for the connection.